That can't be M. That's got to be
O. O.
Put it the other way.
M.
Good job.
Dad.
Hey, you spelled mom. But not really, because one of them is a W. What do you got now?
M E M D. Mommy. D.
What do you got?
E.
E. Put it on the fridge. Put the E on the fridge. Other way. There you go. E. F. Good job.
M.
What is that?
Mommy.
Wait, say that again?
Oh, Dad.
What letter is that?
Oh.
What letter is that?
You, Mommy.
Good job.
You. T.
Uh-oh.
Hey. That's a dra. Tay. Butters.
Which one is that?
Mommy. Tay.
Good job.
The R.
What do you got now? What is that?
M-R-S.
Good job. What's that?
Or. Sound.
Alright, get the other ones. Get the other letters.
B.
What do you got? What is it?
No, B.
B. Good job.
Mommy, B is a B. B. Mommy. Oh.
Turn it over.
I got more the X.
What do you got now?
Mommy, X. Mommy, X.
X. Good job. Vanna, you could put them down here. Look. Put them here. What do you got?
G.
Z. Good job.
G.
What is that?
Mommy, T.
T. Good job.
Oh, yeah, Mommy, yeah, oh. Earth. Mommy, Earth.
What is it?
Earth, Mommy.
Let me see.
Earth.
H.
Mommy.
And what is that?
N. U.
Alright, let's do one more. What do you got?
Bird.
What is it?
Mommy, bird. Uh-oh.
Find it. Good job.
Mommy, Y.
Great job.
And
What do you got?
O, N.
Which one?
I.
What is that?
Mommy, I.
Let me see. Put it on.
Please.
I. Oh. I. What's that?
Mommy.
Which one is that?
Mommy,
What is it?
Mommy.
Say it.
Mommy.
You don't like that one?
D.
Good job.
A. Mommy,
What is that?
Mommy, A.
All right. Can you say bye to the camera? Say bye.
I'll tell it. Oh. P.
What is that?
Mommy, P.
Let me see.
Mommy, P.
P. Good job.
D.
Let me see. G. Awesome. All right, babies.
Q.
What do you got?
Mommy, Q.
Q.
L. J. Mommy,
What is it?
Mommy, Y.
Y. You already did Y. Is that Y?
No, Y.
Oh no. What is that?
C.
V.
V.
V. Good job.
V.
Give 5. All right.